Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product that I can use every single day on my glasses. It's anti-fog wipes for your glasses. So let's open these up, clean some glasses, and see what it does, shall we? If you're like me, my glasses are always filthy because I keep them on top of my head, and hair product gets in them, and whatever else gets into them. So this has got 120 wipes. How to use: you're supposed to use the folded wipe to kind of just knock the dirt and dust off of the glasses, then unfold it and clean in a circular motion. The anti-fog properties are supposed to last up to 12 hours, so that's good. And let's open this up. So take my glasses off, and while it's folded, you're supposed to just knock any of the dirt off of it. Kind of the rough cleaning, the coarse cleaning. And then you are supposed to unwrap this. And it's moist. It's moist, it's not soaking wet, but it's moist. And then use circular motions. Well, it does look like it's really getting clean. Polishing them up nice. Trying to use the different part of the wipe. Okay. Oh yeah. Wow. They're clean. Woo! Crystal clear. Crystal clear. Go out and get your anti-fog lens wipes today. Little dispenser box right down here on the bottom. Where you can pull them out. I'll be using these all the time. Don't have to use my t-shirt anymore. Go out and get these. Crystal clear.